Welcome to our tutorial where we'll guide you through the simple steps to download YouTube on your PC. Whether you're looking to access YouTube without a browser or want a more app-centric experience, this video has got you covered. Mention the basic system requirements for installing the YouTube app on a PC, emphasizing the need for a stable internet connection and a compatible operating system. Step 1. Visit the official YouTube download page or the Microsoft Store. Step 2. Search for the YouTube app in the Microsoft Store. Step 3. Click on the Get or Install button to begin the download. Step 4. Once installed, open the app through the Start menu or your desktop if applicable. Offer a quick tour of the YouTube app interface on PC, highlighting key features and how to access your favorite content. Share some useful tips for enhancing the user experience, such as keyboard shortcuts, customizing settings, and troubleshooting common issues. Congratulations! You now have YouTube installed on your PC. Enjoy endless hours of content right at your fingertips. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to download YouTube on your PC. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital experience. Happy watching!